Let's try to translate this video. We already made a video on how to verify if the downloaded ISO file is genuine, so be sure to check that out. This video will be a continuation of that, where we'll show you a safe and reliable method for installing the Windows ISO onto a USB.
आपने इस लोकप्रिय ओपन सोर्स टूल के बारे में सुना होगा जो यूएसबी पर आईएसओ फाइलें इंस्टॉल करने के लिए है। बस एक बात बता दूं, बहुत सारी नकली क्लोन साइटें हैं। हम नीचे दिए गए आधिकारिक लिंक देंगे और डाउनलोड करना सुनिश्चित करेंगे। उस साइट से पोर्टेबल वर्जन डाउनलोड करें। अब जब हमने यह टूल पहले ही डाउनलोड कर लिया है तो हम स्कैन के परिणामों को देखेंगे। बस आपको बता दें, हम अपने पीसी पर टेस्ट किए बिना किसी भी प्रोग्राम की सिफारिश नहीं करेंगे, तो आप प्रोग्राम की सुरक्षा के बारे में निश्चिंत रहें।
To get this translate feature, you'll need to have the Microsoft Edge browser. In the settings, search for Translate and enable it. Just a heads up, this is a work in progress feature, so the results should improve over time. After enabling it, you'll see a new icon when you hover over any video playing. If you don't see this feature, you'll need to have the latest version of Edge, so check for updates in the About section. Now you can even translate videos, even if YouTube doesn't provide any audio track. And this works on sites other than YouTube as well. Now, let's try translating it into a different language. When you change the language, it will download the language file and perform a one-time installation.
Ahora puede seleccionar las opciones que prefiera. Personalmente, me gusta detener manualmente la recopilación de datos después de que se instala Windows. También puede optar por desactivar BitLocker si lo prefiere de esa manera.
You can even translate videos from other languages to English. So that was it. Using this, you can watch the YouTube tutorials or movies in language you understand. Sorry for the plugin, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.